Join SL Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT JEE and medical exam preparations. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Health services in Goa are fully prepared to face the second wave in case it breaks out. This won't create problem for us, Goa Medical College Dean Dr. Shivanand Bandekar said on Wednesday. But he was categorical in saying that people should strictly follow safety norms and SOPs. Bandekar also said that the new cases are decreasing in the state, but he admitted that the numbers keep on fluctuating. Situation can turn worse also if safety precautions are thrown to winds. Here's more.
JMC Dean was answering to queries related to COVID-19 in Goa. Bandekar said the health infrastructure is ready in the state and ample of beds available if second wave breaks out. Speaking on UK variant, he said that the mutant is contagious, not fatal. He also requested government to make compulsory RT-PCR COVID-19 tests for the travellers of Mumbai on the same lines of Maharashtra asking tests from Goans. He also said GMC has wide coverage in administering their vaccine to the staff.
Second wave of COVID pandemic, we are totally prepared. As I was telling in the morning, we have kept our infrastructure intact. The ESI hospital, South Goa District Hospital is still under the administration of Dean Goa Medical College, and we are now better prepared with all kinds of equipment, HFNOs and ventilators. So that I don't think there is any problem if we get a second wave. I only pray to God that we should not get second wave, and if we don't want second wave, we should always follow the SOPs properly. UK mutant virus we are likely to get basically because a lot of Goans are settled in UK, and we had cases, not that we don't have cases, we had cases. The only best part of UK mutant strain is that it is not fatal, it is only highly infective. Means if suppose I say the routine COVID strain can contaminate each other within 2 feet distance, it can contaminate with 3 feet distance. So much of infectivity. So there is a more need to be very stringent with SOPs. Please follow social distancing, wear your mask, and whenever you go traveling, whenever you go to crowded places, you also use face shield. So this will help us in preventing the spread of mutant virus. Now new cases are also declining. If you see our bulletin from health services, now it is difficult to say where will be totally free zone, because virus doesn't listen to anybody. Today it will infect 10 people, tomorrow it might infect 20 people. That's why if you see new cases, data is fluctuating every day. That day we had 37, yesterday we had 59. So there is no reason. When people openly meet each other, it is through droplet infection. So if there is more contact, more people getting into crowded area, you might get new cases. Now zero new case, that is my dream. In fact, yesterday only I was talking to epidemiologist. I said when you will get zero new case, because we had zero deaths many times. You understood me? So we cannot give you that date. That date will also come. We will conquer COVID completely. Let us live with this hope.
Coronavirus cases in India are on trend of decline, but in few states, cases have started rising once again. Only 2 states, Maharashtra and Kerala, contribute 75% to the national tally of COVID-19. Kerala has 55,752 active cases and Maharashtra has 54,306 active cases. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra 21.12 lakhs, Kerala 10.40 lakhs, Karnataka 9.48 lakhs, Andhra Pradesh 8.89 lakhs, Tamil Nadu 8.49 lakhs. Shamchari for Goa 365 from Bambolim.